I think part of the problem is right now, whatever their power source is, it's very limited on time-wise, and this would almost make it more of an unlimited thing and keep it in the air, in the airspace.
It's a 2-foot diameter telescope, which means it actually rivals the original telescopes that were being deployed in the 1900s for examining things in outer space. Simultaneously, it's got a path for a laser to go through. So you're actually doing target tracking, you're doing, image magnification, image tracking for an object that's miles away,